How do you solve this problem? The most important thing when solving this problem is making sure that the whole equation is balanced. How do you do that? We'll see. How many k's do you have on the left? You have 1k right here because you know that there's a 1 right here. How many k's do you have here? 1. All right, you know there's a 1 right there. Next, let's go with N. How many nitrogens do you have? You have 1. You have 1. All right. N is also balanced. What about O? How many O's do you have? Oxygen. You have 3, right? Because of these 3. And here you have 2 because of these 2. And here you have also 2 because of these 2 as well. So that means that you have 4 O's, 4 oxygens. So what do? We need to balance them. We need to make sure that there's the same amount on the right and on the left. You can make both of them to be equals to 3. You can make both of them to be equals to 4. Or you can make both of them to be equals to another number. Now let's think about it. So here you have 1k, 1n, and 3 O's. On the other side, you have 1k, 1n, and 4 O's. So what can we do? Why don't you multiply these times 2? And this 2 is gonna go here, here, and here. And when we do this, we no longer have 1k. Now we have 2k. When we do this, we no longer have 1n. Now we have 2. And similar with O, we now have 6. All right, perfect. Let's now look at the other side. Let's look at the right side. So what happened with the right side? We have 1k. We don't want 1k, right? We want to make them equal. So why don't we multiply these times 2? These 2 will affect to everything, to this, and to this. So now we will have 2. We will have 2. Oops, let's keep with the colors. We will have 2n. And for O, now we are not going to have 2, but now we're going to have 4. Because we had 2 O's times 2 will give us 4. So we'll have 4 O's. And with these 2 right here, I'm not going to touch the O2. I'm just going to leave it there. This will give us 6. All right, it seems like we have balanced this thing. So here we have 2, here we have 2. Perfect. On the left we have 2, the right we have 2. Perfect. And with O, on the left we have 6. On the right we have 6 as well.